Hey guys, this is Judy from Judita Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have my weekly nail art tutorial video for you. For this week, through our Facebook group Collab, we are doing anything fall related. It is pretty much open, so I decided to join into this week's collab. And of course, if you do enjoy these type of videos, then please give me a thumbs up. And if you're new here or coming from the other channels that joined into today's collab, then welcome. And I hope that you will like what you see here. If you do, then please hit the subscribe button before you leave. I did receive this beautiful nail polish from Moonshine Mani as PR, and I found it to be a perfect base for this week's theme. I will also link for you all the videos that were created in the description box, and at the end of my video you will also find all the pictures. If you do have any questions, comments, please leave them for me in the comment section. And I think that's it for this quick intro. I just hope everybody is safe and sound. Please stay warm, because right now over here it feels more like winter rather than fall. And I'm really not looking forward to it. I think that's all for my rambling for today. So thank you guys so much for being here today. Continue watching the nail art tutorial portion, and I will be back with some more soon. So thank you. Bye bye.